Hey, good morning, everybody. It's June 30th, and I'm doing something I am sure that David Lemon is going to be really excited about. Um, a little story. I was working with a customer this morning, and I was going back to check on a sequence. And when I went to look for the sequence, I got lost because things looked different. And so I did a little digging and I found out that the new email builder for Groove is active. Hey, Gary, good to see you. Hey, by the way, if you're here live, give me a hashtag live in the chat. I would love to know who's here joining me. So anyhow, I said, you know what? I'm going to start playing with it, but I'm going to do it live so everybody can see how it works. So you might go into Groove Mail today or tomorrow or sometime and be confused like I was. So I'm going to show you what I found and I'm going to show you what we can do with it. It's pretty fantastic. So let's take a look. Let's go share screen here. Hold on just a second. Hold on. And let's do share screen again. And let's share screen one. All right. So let's go ahead and put the full screen up. All right. So let's take a look. Um, what happened is if you're joining live, hashtag live in the chat, I would love to know you're here. So I was explaining already earlier on that I found something in Groove Mail that I was excited about. I was actually on a call with a customer. And when I discovered it, I was, talking about how exciting it was or whatever. And she was like, you need to get off the call and go do what you're going to do. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm showing something I really haven't even used yet. But let's take a look. So I went in and I was looking for sequences. And if you have been using GrooveMail at all, you know sequences was listed here as one of these icons on the side, but it was missing. And I was like, well, where are the sequences? And then I remembered that in years past or in time past, there was this, instead of this icon called broadcasts, there was an icon called campaigns. And when I moused over it, there it said campaigns. And I was like, oh, what are we going back to the way it used to be for? I don't understand. So I clicked on campaigns and I saw broadcast sequences. And then I saw this new one here called My Templates and Categories. And I said, wait a minute. I remember Mike Filsame on the Groove, State of the Groovian, talking about this builder and demoing this. And then it hit me. I bet the new builder is out. So I went to broadcasts and I clicked new broadcast and I named it. We're going to call this check this out. And first of all, I saw these broadcast categories down here. So that's something that is new, I think. And then I clicked next. And I'm going to choose to send this to people in my group who are subscribed to the, let's see, Groove Tools and Tips. How about that? And let's go to the next page, which is everything that looks kind of familiar here. So we're going to say that new builder is active. And look at this, though. We have 3 blocks showing up here, and we didn't have all 3 of these. At least I didn't until this morning. It may have come out yesterday, and I just didn't notice it. So we have the email builder. It says use this email builder with a variety of elements to compose your email. This is what's brand new. If we go to basic email builder, it's going to come up with sort of what we used to have before. And you can also put HTML code in apparently. But what we're going to do is we're going to use the new email builder and we're going to click compose your email. All right, check this out. This is not something you've ever seen. And I was sharing this with my membership Tuesday, I think, that we're going to have access to this builder, which is actually, from what I understand from Mike and David, is the B Pro builder, which has been white labeled and put inside of Groove Mail, and you will find it in your own account. We have all these categories we can choose from. We can do a search for a type of template. We can start from blank. I'm going to go down here though, and one that I found really fascinating were these automated templates. So, for example, someone comes and buys your product and you want to send them a nice email. Look at this transactional, these templates. Payment received. Let's do a preview of this. Payment received. Thank you for your payment. Here are the details. And here is the, you know, you can give it, I'm going to give you a coupon for your next purchase or whatever. These are automated. These are layouts for automated autoresponders. Here's a thank you. Thank you for your order. You know, thanks for your subscription, right, to your email. Let's see what this one is. Thank you. Thank you for choosing our place for your recent stay. Obviously, these are not all for businesses online necessarily, but you get the picture. One of the things that I really liked, though, was this abandoned cart list of emails. Look at this. So when you are using GrooveSell right now, we have the ability to tag people or to trigger an automation when they abandon cart. And we can literally create something like this. Heads up, oh, we noticed you left something behind. And we can have an image. We can take this template and immediately put together a nice looking email that's going to go out on our behalf. Very cool in my point. And if I'm too excited about it, you know, just disregard me. Let's go look at newsletters. And this is a seasonal newsletter. So let's see what we find. See, this is why you don't do it live. If it doesn't work, then, you know, we just say, well, it doesn't work. Let's stop that one. Let's try service promotion and see if it. Okay, so the seasonal ones don't seem to be working very well. That's okay. We're going to go up here. There are different industries, right? So what categories we could do computer and internet. And we can see the different templates that are showing up here. If you're excited about this, let me know in the chat. Or if you are going to go check it out yourself right away, let me know in the chat. I'm really interested to see who's checking this out. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on electronics and computer and internet. We have cyber, Father's Day, Christmas time. All right. Let's do this. I'm going to pick one and we're going to go in and edit it. So let's go with, I'm just going to pick one. It doesn't matter what it says, computer and internet. And we're going to pick, I want one with an image. Oh, let's use this one. Again, it doesn't matter. I'm going to click select and it's going to bring me into a builder. And you can see over here that we have title, paragraph, list. This is if you've used ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, any kind of drag and drop builders for a lot of different applications. This is not going to be unfamiliar, but this entire section here. So I don't know what I'm doing, by the way. So I'm finding this out with you online live here. So again, bad idea. So here's a section. Let's see if it has a background. It does. Let's just use my branded color here instead. That is not my branded color. There we go. That must have been my branded color. Content area background color. Transparent. Yeah, so let's customize columns. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, look at that. We can add columns. And let's say we want let's get rid of, can we delete a column? Sure, you want to delete this? No, I don't want to do that. Let's delete. Okay, well, obviously, I don't know how to change that. I can't right click it. I'm going to click delete and see what happens. Oh, it just got rid of that column. Cool. All right, now I think, yeah, I can change it so it goes like this. I can change it so it goes like this. And you can see that this is in its own column inside the columns. Is this cool or what? If it's cool, if you like it, give me a hashtag cool in the chat. This is our email builder. So I'm gonna say check out what is new. And it's by, let's go ahead and we're just gonna fill this out by Kevin Strite. Right. I don't want all these columns in here, so I'm going to go over here and delete this one. I'm going to delete this one. Cool. Did you enjoy? I'm going to change that color. We can click on it. Did you enjoy? Let's say news update. Here, let's do this. Groove update. All right, cool. All right, so Groove update. Check out what's new by Kevin Strite. All right. I don't want this section. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to replace this image. Let's see. Change image. Look at that. I'm into my folder. I'm going to go to Click Designs and grab this little template that I just built for this. There we go. I just changed the image. And if you didn't notice it, I grabbed the image right out of Click Designs. If you don't have Click Designs or Groove Designer Pro, you want to get that because you can create your designs and then have them available. I'll put a link in the YouTube video for that. But yeah, let's change the background here to just whatever the heck we want. Yeah, let's make it really stand out. Now, how do we put space inside of this? Let's see if we can figure that out. Padding, more options. We want padding on the top. There, we just figured it out. Okay, so we kind of have it centered now in that black section. All right. It happened today. And look, we've got columns here, 3 columns. And I think if we click here, or if we click here, we can see the columns are here, so we can change them if we want to, like this. Yeah, apparently we can't. Oh yeah, I just didn't know how to do it. Trying to get it to do partial. Put it back the way it was. Okay, well, you can see that's fun. I'm going to click on a button. Okay, so now we have a button that we can use. Let's go see how buttons work. We have the link type right here. HTTPS yourbestgroove.com. What does this mean when it says affiliate links? Oh gosh, check this out. Okay, guys, I'm going to click affiliate links here, and I'm in my Groove account, right? So I'm going to select the promo. I'm going to go down here to Click Designs. I'm going to select an affiliate link, which is the product index page, and save it. I just linked a button on my email to an affiliate program that I'm connected with. All right, can we do undo? I want to undo a couple of things. Where's undo? Save an email, change template. I don't want to do that. It looks like I might not. What happens if I do Control Z? Nope. Okay, well, look what. I don't want to fix these columns, but I don't see how. Okay, but you caught that, right? I went in here to the button. I clicked on affiliate links. I'm trying to test these things as you go along, but I don't have a list, so there's not much I can do. Oh, Gary, gotcha. Yeah, you kind of got to have GrooveMail set up a bit. So you all saw that. I clicked affiliate links. I can go to groove.cm, grab my affiliate link, Groove YouTube Shorts, where I want to send people to watch YouTube videos. Up here is an image. I can change the image. I can go to free stock, the photos in the file, or Click Designs if I have something else there. I'm just going to grab something I've done recently. Let's see. It really doesn't matter. I'm just showing how it works. Select. All right, we have that image there. We have the button that we just figured out, and of course we have all the settings for it. Cool. So we found out what we can do with buttons. There was another option here. Let's collect link file. Okay, so it says link file, and I think that's probably supposed to go, maybe it's going to go to an image, but I think maybe it's supposed to take us to the files that are available in GrooveMail. I don't know. Again, don't demo stuff that you haven't tried out yourself. Don't try this at home, kids. All right. Very cool, very cool. We found out about buttons. What else do we want to look at here? Yeah, I mean, essentially, let's see what this is. This is an icon tray or icon container. Okay, so we can turn this on. Okay, we have a Facebook icon. Let's see if we can change that. Okay, that's an image. All right, so we have to have an image for Facebook at this point, but we can go to, looks like it saved the URL. Oh, no, that's the image. Okay, cool. Got it. Where do we want it to go? Oh, open a web page. Your best groove. Who's loving this? Okay, so I am in a template. I turned that one on. I think maybe they're not active. I'm not sure if they're turning on and off what this is going to do, but that's really cool. Let's go look at adding something to the newsletter. Let's check out the other settings up here. So we have settings. We can change the width of the entire email itself. So I think it was about 600, something like that. We can align everything on the left, center. We can change the background color for the entire email. Content area background color, I think that's this. Default font and link color. Cool. Rows, it looks like, so let's say, we want to add something to this now. So we have a little bit like blocks, right, in Groove, where you can grab them divided in different ways. We can pull one in. Let's see what it's like. It says drag it here. So we drop it there. Cool. And we also have to drag content into those areas. So here we have title, paragraph, list, image, divider, video. Let's pull video over and see what we've got. All right, let's check the video URL. YouTube or Vimeo right now. Okay, so we don't have Groove video connected. That's okay. We're going to grab a Vimeo or a YouTube link for video. Y'all getting the picture, right? We can grab we can grab social here. What is that going to give? Oh, there we go. Now we've got the nicer images, so we can do the facebook.com, twitter.com, and so forth. So we can put those on. All right, let's finish this up with, we already did buttons and images. Let's pull a list in just to see what that's like. Yep. So again, and I haven't even explored this stuff up here, but obviously we can bold, we can change the text settings. We have access to our affiliate links here again. We have merge tags for the names in GrooveMail. This is awesome. Okay, well, I'm going to finish my building here and see what's next. All right, so I click save and exit. And we're going to come back to save email. Oh, okay, so we're going to save this so we can save the emails. I think this is, not sure what we're doing here. Let's do this. New email, and we're just going to put it into a default category. Apparently I have to set up some categories. Let's see where this is going to take us. Okay, now if we want to, we can click on the preview and we can see what it's going to look like. And obviously it's kind of screwy. We can actually preview it enough that we can click the button that I set up. And this is my link to send people to the YouTube shorts for Groove. That doesn't look like that's exactly working right now. Okay, we do the preview. We can go next. Yeah, now we're back to just the normal normal settings. I'm not sure we could edit this all in the past. David, if you're around, let me know. Maybe we could. Maybe we could change this once we got back here. You can change who it's coming from, change who it's going to, change the name. You can send now or schedule for later. These are features that were already there. The biggest thing right, is we can now graphically edit our emails that we're sending from GrooveMail. I'm going to save this as a draft instead of sending it, and would love to hear your comments in the chat. Try it out yourself. Would love to hear what you see in your own experience. Okay, so that's what you should never do. Take a brand new feature and demo it live, but why not? Let's play. Let's find out what's there and get into GrooveMail. Start building your amazingly beautiful emails and see what happens. All right, everybody. Talk to you later.